Why are you stretching your hands like a flight attendant?
What's wrong with you?
If my career never kicked off,
Yeah.
somehow it failed, I thought I would open a shop inside my college.
Oh my goodness.
Like revenue generation is another thing.
Mm-hmm.
I am not actually disagreeing also, not completely agreeing also on this fact.
You're having a wedding, you cannot have alcohol and you cannot do that. So there should be
Completely.
certain rules and regulations inside the campus.
Yes.
Now they are not having
Need to
any
be
clue
maintained.
only, like what's going to happen.
So
Yeah.
without having any clue, they cannot really start protesting.
Delhi is a different scenario. Like I said, like Cotton is actually notorious for such incidents.
But we are like Cottonians, you know. But it wasn't allowed in Cotton, like, you know, like
Okay.
using of.
I think they learned it from other universities and they realized, okay, that's something where we can work
But
on
If the
that.
revenue comes, then they can also work
I think
regarding the
best
infrastructure
thing-
also. What do
Yes,
you think?
infrastructure. They
Isn't
build,
it?
yeah,
Yeah,
they
true.
will.
Yeah.
Absolutely true.
So
Like as we say that college and your schools are like
Best part.
second homes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Why are you stretching your hands like a flight attendant?
What's wrong with you?
Just wanted to become a flight attendant after class 12. It did not work out. I'm now stuck in this office, working, doing things that everybody else is doing.
I had some other plans.
Other plans, as in regarding.
Well, if my career never kicked off,
Yeah.
somehow it failed, I thought I would open a shop inside my college. Basically.
Tell me about it, because
Mhm.
in our university we had this huge campus. Okay, so in the evening, I always wanted to set up a momo stall because it would run well. How about you?
What
Because
about
busy
you,
working, she
Avantika?
loves her job.
No, actually, Nandita Lee, have
Huh.
you filed this copy on the Cotton University issue?
Oh
What is
yeah, I
this
just
controversy
saw. I
about?
just saw in the
It's
group.
very important. I mean,
What is
What
that?
issue?
oh, you did not hear about it?
No.
So apparently, they have leased out, I think, right?
Yeah, a part.
A part of
Yeah.
their campus
Hmm.
for public entities.
Yeah, for external parties.
For
Public,
external
I mean,
parties.
For the
Yeah.
private entities, basically,
So
right?
what's the
Right.
big, like, what's the fuss all about it?
Yeah, I mean,
For the public,
okay.
I mean, obviously private entities. Like,
No, actually, being a Cottonian, I passed out from Cotton, so I don't agree with them. Like I
Okay.
totally disagree. Even today we saw like
You don't
the
agree with
student.
what? Like you want private entities?
No,
to-
I don't.
You don't want?
I'm disagreeing to the
Oh.
to the problem.
You want it to be just completely Cottonian space.
Yes, of
and-
course.
no,
course.
I mean, picture this. You are going to college. You
Yeah.
are focusing on,
yeah, and
On
suddenly you
your,
see someone else.
you know, I mean, you're
An
focusing
unknown.
on your academics, you know, your tiffin break or something of that sort. And suddenly you see two kids running here and there.
Yeah.
Because of marriage
Because
ceremony is happening inside
so I
the
come
campus.
from. Oh my goodness.
Or
have you
maybe
never
not-
been to
not a
Northeastern
marriage
University? So we have this community hall
Yeah.
where people. I mean, it's given out to public, not just to the people of the campus, to the public who can have their weddings, birthday parties, and things like that. Even multi-use convention is often given for that purpose. Not even just multi-use, even that convocation ground, which is like really huge, that is also given for, and I mean for public to come in and have their events. On that note,
I think there was some
Yes.
controversy.
there was a controversy. Yeah, I mean,
What
we've
was
heard
it
that
about?
What is that?
there was a
I don't
wedding.
know. I don't
that
know.
there was a
took
wedding
place-
happening in the community hall. So 30 students, okay? That's not a
My
big,
God.
that's not a joke. 30
Students.
students from, okay, I'll not name the departments.
Yeah.
If they're watching it, they'll know who they are. So these people, so first like 10 people showed up at the wedding, okay? They started eating. They were casually dressed, so you can easily identify that these people did not belong to that
I'm
group.
sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Wedding inside.
Inside,
the
yeah.
campus? Oh, okay.
People come on Sundays to have their photo shoots, wedding photo shoots in the
Oh,
campus
wow,
because
okay.
Nehu is beautiful.
Yeah.
Inside Nehu.
Actually,
Yeah,
Nehu is
inside
very
Nehu.
pretty.
So yes.
Nehu is very pretty.
So that we have, so 10 people were there, they ate and then they called their other friends to come in. So there were like 30 people who showed up. And per plate cost at least 700 to 800 rupees. Imagine 30
Okay.
people showing up.
yeah,
Oh, wow.
extra.
Like 2,400,
Good
24,000
revenue.
24,000
Huh.
rupees that they lost. But they were caught. And then now it has become a rule that whoever crashes wedding in Meghalaya, you'll be fined. If I'm not
Okay.
wrong, yeah, that's the rule that has come up. Also regarding private properties that we have inside the campus, we have SAF, okay? This is like analytical space where we can give us samples for HPLC and different other scientific purposes. So that does not belong to NEHU, but it is inside NEHU, which is helpful to the students. So if something as such comes up in Cotton University, I don't see any issue.
But I feel like it will be overcrowded, don't you think so?
How big is the university?
It is big.
Then I think if the university can earn something from it, why not?
No, but
Okay.
I mean, shouldn't a university just be limited to students?
It will be limited to students, but it depends upon how the place is given, space is given, whether it is in college hours, like working hours. And we should not interrupt with the normal activity of the students.
Yeah,
inside
because
the
it will
campus.
hamper their lifestyle. I mean,
You
students.
Yeah.
guys are from, I think,
Experience.
Delhi.
Yeah.
How was it
Like
there?
revenue generation is another thing.
Mhm.
I am not actually disagreeing also, not completely agreeing also on this fact. See, if a university which is solely run by a government entity, if they wish to generate revenue, but for the benefit of the university or the college, I think that is good. But then, that entity shouldn't actually hamper the normal activities which you have mentioned.
Yeah.
So what are the
I
students
find it
saying
like,
there?
yeah, I'm not completely
Against.
agreeing also, not against also. See, revenue generation will actually help the students.
Yes,
Yeah.
ultimately,
The
yes.
administration as well. Okay, from my point of view. And also the administration should make some rules and regulations.
Yeah.
to
Certain
set out,
things should not
yeah,
be done.
That if
Certain
you wish
guidelines
to,
should be
Certain
there.
activities
Yes,
should
yes.
be avoided. Like you cannot
That's
drink
what-
inside the
Yeah.
campus just
That's
because
true.
you're
Yeah.
having a wedding. You cannot have alcohol and you cannot do that. So there should be
Completely.
certain rules and regulations inside the campus,
Mhm.
Yeah.
so that they maintain the decorum.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
I hope that there is some kind of, a circular or some kind of a rule which states that such weddings or any sort of functions should not be, conducted during examinations, which would
Okay.
definitely disrupt.
Yeah.
Or maybe they
Yeah.
can set
Like
up a
the
place
students.
which is away from the classroom
Yeah, I think
cluster and all.
that should be done.
Classroom
Yeah,
cluster.
because like we have like Cotton has like a
yeah,
big plot.
space. So what are the
Mhm.
students saying exactly? Like what are they saying?
Yeah, like you are a Cottonian,
Yeah.
right? What are your
Like
friends
as an
saying
alumni,
after this
alumni,
news
yeah.
Yeah.
came
As
up?
far as
They
I
are
know,
opposing
very,
it.
Yeah, they are very angry about
Yeah,
it.
they are angry and they are
I
opposing.
think they
Today
are not
even
understanding. I mean, they have not been clarified
Huh.
about what is going on in the situation.
Yeah.
What are these private entities? Like, there's going to be just one private entity inside. They're going to lease out space, or what
that
is
is like there is no such notification came out like to whom they are going to give or something like that. So right now we are like not sure of it.
So is it like one space, like one building? How is it going to happen?
One thing, have the notification which has come right now, the resolution
Yeah.
by the administration, have they notified that when they're going to actually
No, it's nothing.
finalize
nothing,
on their plans?
Nothing like that.
Nothing like
No,
that.
but what does
Nothing
they
like
say? They're like completely against it, the students?
Yeah, like totally they are against it.
The entire student community.
Entire
Okay.
student.
What about the teachers? What they want to say on this?
That we'll have to find out.
Okay, okay.
Of course.
Mhm.
Okay, the students
Yeah.
are. I think
Yeah.
students are not clear about what's happening. I mean,
Yeah.
of course, they
Yeah.
need to be terrified
Hmm.
if the space is, if the common space is being interrupted by other people from outside. They'll
Yeah.
definitely not like it. So I understand their stance as well.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I think they need to be given a proper circular. Like, how is it going to happen?
Mm.
Proper rules.
Yeah,
and
because
regulations.
now they are not having
Need to
any
be
clue
maintained.
only, like what's going to happen.
So without being,
Yeah.
without having any clue, they cannot really start protesting. That's what I
Yeah,
feel.
and there are some rumors also, like students were saying that the space is being sold out
Huh,
rather than
yeah.
being leased
I-
out.
right,
I've heard
right,
this.
right, you're right.
Something
actually,
it was
yeah.
coming on TV today, like
Yeah.
they are selling off a
Huh.
portion within the campus.
But I think
only.
that is
Okay.
that is
Rumors,
not true.
That's how
So
it
that's
flies,
what
no?
led
Like
to the
carried by-
protest.
Yeah.
That is not
That's
true.
why I think somebody's lit it.
Yeah.
And then added somebody
Fire.
added
Huh.
fuel to
Became a
fuel to it and
wildfire.
yeah, it
Yes,
became a
true.
wildfire.
Yeah.
But whatever it is, I personally, I do not feel comfortable about this. I mean, I was a student once.
Huh.
I was in Delhi too, and we had a canteen. So
Yeah.
we would go there, and I still remember that dosa was too good. And I cannot imagine having dosa and looking at people enjoying and disrupting my conversation with my friends
Mhm.
or conversation regarding anything. So I personally feel that it is not a good thing to do. Plus, I was just reading this message from a friend,
Mhm.
and she said that it is about renting space for private entities, excluding
Hmm.
coffee house, canteens, and all that. So I
Okay.
think they will have a
Hmm.
space for it. Not, you know, they will not rent out the coffee houses,
Oh,
the canteen.
just like a just like a room.
Yeah,
I mean, a
yeah.
big hall.
Maybe
So
a
I
land
think
also,
land,
so that the private entity will come in and
So
set
set up
the
a hall. I
right?
think it's like that.
Excluded.
Like we
Yeah.
have so many. We have community hall with multi-use convention center.
Yeah.
People from
Probably
abroad
that
also
will
come and
not
they
disrupt
have
it.
their
But before it wasn't
Mhm.
allowed in Cotton, like, you know, like
Okay.
using of.
I think they learned it from other universities and they realized, okay, that's something
Huh.
where we can work
But
on.
we both being from DU, Delhi University,
Yeah.
we actually witnessed such kind of private, stalls also.
Yes.
They have come out,
Many times.
and
Yeah, sometimes
we
we
never
find,
faced such issues
yeah.
actually.
And plus,
That will be
in
beneficial to
colleges,
the students, I feel.
Yeah, there was no
Imagine
controversy.
a coffee. I will
Yeah,
not again.
they are getting an
Yeah.
option, widespread
Yeah.
options
Why,
actually.
yeah.
plus in colleges like in Amity College, they have parlor, they have KFC.
We have parlor,
Wow.
we have parlor
Even
too.
in
Oh, we
Royal
also
Global
have
also they
parlor
have
in
parlor,
university.
spa and whatnot.
Oh, we have
Really?
a parlor.
Yeah.
We have a parlor spa in
In
Unilever as well.
yeah.
Cotton.
Oh,
No,
very
not in
rich
Cotton.
kiddos.
In a
No,
different
no,
school.
no. Nothing about rich, but we have it. I never went, but
Uh-huh.
we have
Like
parlor,
lot
spa,
of facilities, you know, like high five.
Wow.
gym and those things.
Yeah,
And
gym,
those
gym
are
and
not
all.
really.
Yeah, we also had in like.
Okay, we were the nerds one.
You didn't have.
Completely no.
Maybe they did not go. They had it. You wouldn't have it. That's
No,
like
no, no,
impossible.
actually,
to-
no. We had this in my side. I was from the North Campus, so we had Tom, Uncle's Maggie stall,
Right.
chaat stall, banta, all the stuff.
Everything.
This lavish thing as the parlor, whatever you have mentioned, this didn't exist actually. Even though if it existed, also I might be not venturing into that
Yeah, she
deeper.
was like always studying plus like.
No.
Maybe Cotton University will perhaps come up with such stalls and such
Yeah.
outlets.
Like we have
Mm.
stall outside
Yeah.
our university.
But the,
Like
the-
those are like street
so you
stalls.
get rent, right? So the rent is really high.
Mm.
True.
If you
Huh.
lease out, you're going to get a lot of
But
rent.
I think
Yeah.
these ideas were alien to us back then. I mean, when we were
Yeah,
studying.
that is
So
what I
think
want to
they,
actually
you know,
support
started
in
come
that.
up- come
It was
up now.
alien to us
Hmm.
because during my time I was in college. These things actually created no nuisance or any issues. There was no protest against the college is leasing out some portion to a private entity and then the students are actually protesting. Nothing like that. Never existed.
And what do you think about the safety concern? If the
Okay,
Ah,
this is
yeah.
one thing that even
that should
What
be
about
taken
the
into
safety?
So
consideration.
this
I
is something
think.
that even in university, Nehu,
yeah.
Mhm.
students would point out
Yeah.
because there would be people, public, general
Yes.
public coming in.
True,
okay,
true.
for different events.
That's
So
what
whenever they
that's
would
my point.
come
That's
in,
why I'm opposing.
Students, yeah, they have faced certain issues like
Ha,
that.
ha, ha.
So that's when we had to go to the administration and they took
Ha.
different steps. But it's
Ha.
always difficult. Sometimes it becomes difficult to identify
Exactly.
the people.
Exactly.
And if it's within the university, you know who they are.
Yeah,
But
true.
if it's somebody coming from the outside,
Mm.
then it becomes a difficult issue.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
that is true. Like leasing out a private entity. Okay, somewhere we will get some,
Yeah.
answers from the against side and
Yeah,
for
we'll get
the side,
revenue, yeah,
right?
right.
Generally,
But then we have to
but-
look at the
but-
security
Yeah.
concerns as
The
well.
main problem is safety.
So
Safety.
generally in the
Yeah.
university, asked public allowed? Is public allowed?
Yeah. Actually, but sometimes they're allowed when there is a function or something.
Within the
And then
university.
there have been so many news about students are getting bashed up or they are
Right.
bashing others.
Yeah, yeah. If
Oh.
like
Many.
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 Right, right. We're very
Notorious
we're
for this.
rebels.
But I think
But that's actually keeping the name. I think is a DU of
Yeah, we are
Northeast.
famous. very
Delhi.
DU
famous.
of Northeast. JNU of Northeast India.
No, we are
Has a
talking about-
different scenario, basically. Delhi is a different scenario. Like I said, like Cotton is actually notorious for all such incidents.
But we are like Cottonians, you know. Very famous.
Good. Yeah, it was alien in Delhi.
Yeah. And
Like I said, we were all
pretty
nerdies.
strict about all of this.
Yeah, very strict about it.
Yeah.
Very disciplined.
Hmm.
Although there were like some alien incidents that
But
yeah,
I
students
also
engaging
feel
in
like,
fights.
you know,
Right,
like
right.
But
if
not
the
like that.
revenue comes, then they can also work
I think
regarding the
best
infrastructure
thing-
also. What do
Yes,
you think?
infrastructure. They
Isn't
build,
it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
they will. They
true.
will.
Yeah.
Absolutely true.
Hmm.
Imagine holding international events,
Yeah.
bigger events.
That is like supportive.
Hmm.
Obviously, students will also not protest.
I think they're
in
just not
this.
clear about it. Like I'm
Yeah.
mentioning again and again,
Huh.
they're just not clear about.
Hmm.
Administration has not made it clear.
Yeah.
How are they going to lease out? Whom are they going to lease out to?
Yes.
Once it's clarified
Yeah.
Hmm.
and students
And
receive
then
it in black
they
and white.
protesting.
Yeah, they receive it in black and white. Then maybe they they will understand and
Yeah.
accept what's given to them.
Yes.
Or maybe they can put forward their ideas if they don't like everything that's proposed.
Mhm.
Maybe they can put forward their own ideas, and then
Yeah.
they can, of course, be flexible about
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, being flexible,
That's
take
true.
the views of the students,
Yeah.
Yeah.
ask the student community, take their
How about
advice
we
as
we
well.
let's do it. Let's do it. Like we can come up with such new story, isn't it? Like
Yeah,
India
we
Today,
can.
any can come up with such new story tomorrow.
I
Yeah,
think what we
yeah.
can do is we need to go and talk to the students.
Yeah.
Yes,
there.
yeah, we need to
We need to talk to the
understand what
administration as
problems
well.
they are
And
facing.
once we
Yeah.
understand both sides,
Yeah.
That
then
would be
only
great.
then we can.
Yeah,
present it.
obviously. India Today,
Yeah.
any can do it now.
Because I think
Yeah.
it is very important we take into consideration
Yeah.
how the students are feeling.
Yeah.
Because I understand, colleges and schools, they become personal when it comes to all of these things.
It's true,
So
yeah.
I
Like
think,
as we say that college and your schools are like
best part
second
of it.
homes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And we won't like anyone from the outside,
Outside.
to
Intruding or
intrude
anything
into your
of
private
that sort.
life.
Of course.
So obviously we would love that even the students could express their views and can speak
Yeah.
up. Whatever problems they have, they can tell it.
You can mention in the comment section so that when you go to the university tomorrow, talk to the teacher, to talk to the administration, and the students will have something to ask, and of course take forward your views and opinions,
Yeah.
and they give proper judgment.
So keep watching India Today, and please post in your comments.
Thank you.